Imagine a place full of friendly and hospitable people. A city both peaceful and safe. A city which has retained a certain historic charm. A city which provides links to the nation's past. And a city which represents a microcosm of the whole nation. Few cities have all these characteristics. Addis Ababa, the capital of Ethiopia, is one of the fortunate few. From a modest beginning of tents scattered along mountain tops, Entoto was where it all began, providing a panoramic view of both the old and the new city of Addis Ababa, the first institutions which spurred the process of modernization. Addis Ababa has grown at an astonishing speed since it was founded just over a century ago, and in the last 2 decades has registered striking improvements in the overall infrastructure. There is much to see and do in Addis, whether by day or by night. Museums, safeguarding the nation's cultural and historical heritage. Archaeological collections, starting with Lucy, through the Aksumite and Gondarine periods to the modern day. Ethnographic items from a multitude of different ethnic groups. Perfect places to learn about much of Ethiopia and its rich history. Monuments commemorating Ethiopia's patriotic sons and daughters. Addis, indeed the whole of Ethiopia, with its long history of independence, represents something unusual in terms of the African experience. A vibrant metropolis with a large number of foreign residents from all parts of the world. The diplomatic capital of Africa, with the permanent seat of the African Union, the Economic Commission for Africa, and that of many continental and international organizations. With state-of-the-art conference facilities, Addis Ababa is becoming a center for conference tourism. It is a city characterized by remarkable diversity and contrasts. It is a city of flourishing cultural life, with most of the country's ethnic groups represented somewhere in the capital. A city standing at the very heart of the country, enjoying excellent connections with all the country's economic zones. The new roads facilitate movement of people and goods to all parts of the country. This is one of Africa's fastest developing cities. New and striking high-rise buildings seem to pop up everywhere, witnesses to the ongoing construction boom. The attractive investment climate is promoting something of an economic boom. extensive government housing projects, the new face of Addis. A city that has maintained its natural setting while still undertaking tremendous construction works. It is a city on the rise, yet its bustle has not displaced its charming hospitality. The seat of the federal government of Ethiopia, Parliament, distinguished by the honourable representatives of the more than 86 nations, nationalities and peoples of Ethiopia. A city well served by Bole International Airport and Ethiopian Airlines, a leader in African aviation. A total of 9 international carriers fly in and out of Bole International Airport. There is a wide range of modern shopping malls and supermarkets. And a full range of international cafes and restaurants. Shops specializing in Ethiopian handicrafts and various souvenirs of interest to the visitor. Open markets where artisans sell their homemade fabrics and other crafts. Delightful tiny shops where one can discover both traditional and modern clothing. Different kinds of jewelry, handicrafts and all kinds of things. And there is always the colourful Mercato, Africa's biggest market. An amazing place with never-ending pockets to discover, full of hospitable and friendly people who enjoy the hustle and bustle of the crowded streets and the opportunity to bargain. The Mercato experience isn't just about shopping. It provides a snapshot of Ethiopia. Perfect demonstration of the admirable age-old culture of tolerance that exists between Christians and Muslims in the country. A city cherished by Olympic heroes who have carried Ethiopia's flag in stadiums throughout the world. Come and join them and run with the best in the annual Great Ethiopian Run, Africa's biggest road race with more than 35,000 participants. Vibrant nightlife, ranging from modern state-of-the-art discos and clubs to small and intimate traditional music houses or Asmari Bait. Floor shows in the evening where one can see dancers from the different regions of the country. The best places to take in so much of the local flavour at close quarters. wonderful Ethiopian traditional cuisine an additional treat. Addis Ababa is a delightful place to explore. When you set out to discover, be prepared for some wonderful surprises.